How's it going, my techie nation? Multiple design sketches of what appears to be a nothing smartphone have been shared, accompanied by the text WIP, which might stand for Work in Progress. The first sketch partially reveals a phone with a transparent back panel and screws in place. We already know that Nothing is working on the Phone 3 model, as indicated by an internal email from Carl Pei to Nothing employees last week, confirming the Nothing Phone 3's development. Recently, the Nothing Phone 3 surfaced on Geekbench, featuring the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, 8GB of RAM, and running Android 15. It scored 1,149 and 2,813 points in Geekbench's single-core and multi-core tests, respectively. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch LTP OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. We also anticipate the phone will come with a triple camera setup. The Nothing Phone 2 includes a 4,700 mAh battery, so we expect the Phone 3 to offer a battery capacity of around 5,000 mAh. The previous generation Nothing Phone supports 45 watts fast wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging. The Nothing Phone 2 launched at $600, but with several design and software upgrades expected in the Phone 3, we may see a slight increase in price. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Techie Nation.